This video will demonstrate how to care and clean the MHG grinder. Warning: prior to cleaning the grind chamber or before the removal of any panel or grind chamber housing parts, unplug the grinder. Empty all beans from hoppers. Place an empty funnel with filter into the funnel rails. Press and release the grind button. Run a few cycles until all the coffee in the grind chamber is dispensed. Remove the funnel and filter and discard any remaining coffee grounds. Disconnect the grinder from the power source. Remove the hoppers by sliding all the way forward. Clean and sanitize the hoppers and lids. Care should be taken not to scratch the hoppers with any abrasive materials. Note: Bonomatic recommends the 3-step method for cleaning and sanitizing the hoppers and lids. The 3-step method consists of hot soapy water using an approved detergent, a fresh water rinse, and an aqueous sanitizing solution using an approved non-chlorine sanitizer. Remove the upper front inspection panel. Remove the 2 screws holding the front cover to the Burr housing. Carefully remove the Burr housing front cover. Remove the rotor cup, shear plate, Burr auger rotor and spring assembly from the grinder. Clean grinder burrs with a dry, stiff, non-metallic bristle brush. Remove the dechamfer assembly. With a non-metallic bristle brush, clean inside the grind chamber. It is recommended to replace the dechamfer assembly every 6 months. Inspect and clean dechamfer assembly before reinstalling. Reinstall the motor shaft extension, Burr rotor, shear plate, rotor cup, and front cover to the Burr housing. Reinstall the upper front inspection panel. Clean all exterior surfaces using a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive liquid detergent. Care should be taken not to scratch the grinder with any abrasive material. Replace the hoppers and fill with fresh whole bean coffee. Replace the hopper lids. It is recommended to check recipe throw weights and make any adjustments if needed. Please see calibration on how to perform these adjustments.